You can rename the name. So if you want to change that, you can change it. And you can also change the email in the import button, upload CSV and import. So friends, now I'm importing these four members. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to manage data regarding to our customers or students, in particular membership or course. So friends, in the left side, we have customers. Under customers, we have customers. Just click on that one. So see here, there are different types of customers are there. Just click on the status in the right side. If you observe, here we have edit details. You can rename the name. So if you want to change that, you can change it. And you can also change the email and mobile number also. Every country we have mobile numbers. So check that one. And finally save. So let me save these changes. So like this, it will allow you to change. So I'm giving some changes. Now it is allowing you to change. Otherwise, it will not allow you to change. It will be in the gray button. In the options we have, if you want, you can also mention some remarks here against the person. So that you can mention here. And if you want chart, you can also do the chart, post. See here in the post, there are no community post from this person. And you can check the purchases. How many purchases made by that person. You can also check here. So it is active right now. If you want, you can revoke that access. If you want, you can revoke that access. And any other transactions in the database also you can see here if multiple transactions are there. If you have given any remarks, that will appear here in the purchases. If you want to give access to any membership of your existing courses or memberships, you can give here from this button. Just click that one. If I want to give some silver membership, so I can also grant the access. If I want to give some particular period, that also I can mention like 5 days, 3 months, that I can mention in terms of days it is mentioning. If you want to give months, years, that also fine. So finally grant access. So complete information you can hold on a particular customer based upon this feature, right? So if you want to block this person commenting or posting, that also possible. So if you click on that one, it will ask you to block. Yes. So once again, I'm coming to the customers from my dashboard in the left side. So friends, if you see here, there is a add customers in the top right side. If you clearly observe. So here I can also add different types of customers manually, individually, right? I want to add some person name ABCD and some random number also I can add. So friends, very simple, just import, it will import it. So you can select the best option from here. It is asking membership first. So in the bottom, we have different membership. So let me take one membership, that is bronze membership, and I want to give access to 5 days, or let me take in months. So it is not giving months here. So directly you can, while importing, it is not giving months. So let us assume 30 days. So select affiliate, it is optional. So directly import here. Yes, just refresh the dashboard. See friends, now ABCD is my member in bronze membership, which is expiring in the 1 month. So if I want revoke, or if I want delete some customer, it is also possible. I'm deleting, so that member gone. So very simple friends. Through this add customer button, you can add individual customers. If there are bulk, right? If you're already existing a coach, if you want to import your existing members, use this template: name, country code, country, email, phone number. So that is fine. And in this format, arrange your existing customers, and finally come to here in the import button, upload CSV and import. So friends, now I'm importing these four members. It is asking again membership. So let me take this one. Once again, I'm refreshing the dashboard. If you observe, see here in the bronze membership, I have 4 persons. If you want to delete, you can also delete the multiple customers at a time. See here, I'm deleting entire 5 customers. Yes, possible. So this is overall how to manage your customers' data in TagMango. This feature is available in the paid version, so you can manage some portion in your plan, but not all features. If you are in topmost plan, you can access each and everything what I have shown in the video. So please comment your plan below the video. See you in the next video.